In this video, I'm going to be customizing my own gouache palette. This one is inspired by Andrea Fairservice because she has such a good idea. So it has 24 different cavities for colors, which is great because I have 24 colors in here that I need to put in here. So I'm just trying to put these into an order that I think I will like them once they're in here. I don't want to put colours that contrast too much next to each other because then I'm worried they might mix and make bad colours. So I figured out how I want my colours in each row. I have not swatched these yet, so I don't know if they're similar to the shade on the on the tube. But I'm going to put all these on. I'm going to close the lid, and then on the back I'm going to write down what the actual colours are so I can refill it if needed. The whole thing is not going to fit in there, so I'm just going to add a little bit at a time just to see how it works for me. I changed my mind and I'm going to label the lid rather than the base of the palette. The colours are just so much more vibrant on the bottom for me to see, and the lid is frosted, so I put the labels on the top. So it is all labelled now. I'm pretty happy with this. Now I just need to use it.